Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and this is going to be my biggest challenge. Well, I know it is. I am the lawn enforcement officer today, and I'm here to enforce some lawn care. It's the 29th of June, and this is a shocker. I'm at my father's property, had 3 lawns here last year, and then it got really bad, out of control, and I had to spray them dead, and I never fixed them for him last year. So we've got problems, and I'm about to show you. I'm going to pan out now, and you see I'm on lawn number 1. So the problem I've got is weeds just keep popping up and popping up. The ground is absolutely infested. So it's just a little preview, because I'm going to spray them dead again, get the weeds gone, and get my dad 3 Boston Seeds Premier lawns. Premier, right? If I can turn this around, this is the best lawn. So I'm going to take you over the lawns. This is lawn 1. I've got lawn 2 over there and lawn 3. And 3 years ago, lawn 3 was a vegetable patch years ago, and the weeds in the soil are absolutely incredible. So they just keep coming. I know you think they just fly in, but they're just in the soil. I've got a huge problem. So I'm going to go to an old school method, and it's my granddad George, his method. So on these lawns, we'll be doing something a little different. So it's not happening today, because this is June the 29th. I'm killing them, and in 3 weeks, I'll do the work. Maybe 4 weeks, because I do have a big lawn I'm attending to at the moment. So, oh dear. It's terrible. I'm a terrible son, right? But I'm going to fix it for my father. He's 74, bless him. He loves his plants. He's not very good with lawns, tends not to mow them regularly enough, but we're going to change that. I'm here to help, So this is lawn 1. Let's take you over it, and then we go 2 and 3. So lawn number 1, they're only small lawns, but even though they keep being sprayed off, they keep on coming. Look at that. That is terrible. Right, so I turn to my left. We've got the path here. Let's have a look at lawn number 2. Wowzers, look at that. All them seeds flying in the air. I mean, it's high, guys, really high. So to the left of me is lawn number 3. But how can I get this back? This is going to be tough, right? Really tough. But it's my father, and we're going to do it. We're going to do it with a different method. So, only showing you really now, because I want you to see. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm going to see if I can turn this around. So lawn number 3, my granddad's vegetable patch. Years ago, he's a local greengrocer. He sold all the local produce that he got here, the vegetables and everything, to the locals when life was good, when life was a bit nicer. So there's 1, there's 2, let's turn to 3, and wowzers, it's a lawn that keeps on giving. Unfortunately, my father started pulling all the weeds out. It's like, well, you can't trim them. Well, I've got a scythe. I can cut them at the ground. Electric. And where he started pulling weeds, and I went, no, Dad, don't do that. He left them all in this area, and I did have a bit of a moan, because they were just seed heads galore, which are in the soil. The soil is destroyed. So I've got a problem. I mean, this one, wow, it's got to be 4 foot. Wowzers, this is disgusting, right? So, but he does like his flowers, his hot lips, and he's got his greenhouse, like, bless him, cucumbers, tomatoes, chilies, yeah, so he likes it. But I need to be a good son now and start the process. So I'm going to spray it, see if I can get it done. So the reason for the video is purely to show you the condition they're in. If you like the channel, let's see if I can turn them around, because it's going to be hard work, right? So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. What do we think? Am I in trouble? Can I do this? The problem I'm going to get with this is that as soon as I do all this work and then I fleece it, I guarantee you there's going to be a load more weeds under that fleece. Then I can't treat them for 8 weeks because I've got new baby grass. So I need to do something different. What am I going to do different? Let me know in the comments if you've got any ideas how I'm going to treat these weeds, how I'm going to deal with it. Because I want to see. Think old school, think old school. I don't know, I don't even know if it'll work, but think old school. Think my granddad back in the day. How would you control the land, yeah? Because you can't just spray this off and then scarify it, level it, seed it, top dress, seed over top, fleece on. It's not going to work. It needs a different method. So, I'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye for now.